Hello friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Today's fundamental analysis, famous company in India. Maybe you wanted to know about it. Today I am covering it. Name of the company, Reliance Industries Limited, in short called RIL or called as Reliance. Founded 1973 by Dhirubhai Ambani. It is the largest company in India in terms of market capitalization and terms of total revenue. Mukesh Ambani became chairman from 2002. What's the main business? Petrochemicals, refining oils and gas, and they are in retail business, clothes, footwear, digital products, vegetables, groceries, and another interesting diversification is telecommunication in terms of geo telephone. Reliance Industries, the IPO was issued in 1977 and the IPO was oversubscribed by 7 times. Face value rupees 10, book value 679 rupees, and then industry PE is 42.78. That means the sector PE is 42.78 and the PE ratio of Reliance is 47.08. Now, who are holding the shares? Means shareholding pattern. Promoters are still holding 50.17%. Foreign institutions 25%. Domestic institutional investors approximately 16%, and retail investors like me and you are having around 8.7%. Now the net profit of Reliance last 5 years. 2016 net profit was 29,625 crores. 2017 the net profit was 29,941 crores. 2018 36,021 crores. 2019 39,734 crores, and 2020 39,773 crores. Now coming to market capitalization. Reliance Industries 14,88,166 crores, and the competitor peer group ONGC 92,527 crores, and Petronet LNG is only 36,202 crores. Suppose you had bought 100 shares of IPO. After bonus, what is the number of shares you are holding today? I am giving you the calculation. The first bonus 1983, 3:5. 100 shares became 160 shares. 1997 second bonus 1:1. 160 became 320 shares. 2009 third bonus 1:1. 320 became 640 shares. 2017 1:1. 640 became 1,280. So somebody is holding 100 shares at IPO. Today it has become 1,280 shares. Now somebody has invested, an investor like me and you, who has invested in Reliance. What is the profit he has accrued as of today? Let me tell you the calculations. Friends, suppose you had purchased 3rd January 2000 by paying 10,000 rupees, and those days Reliance was 62 rupees 34 paisa. Today the same number of shares, that means on today's date, if you sell the same number of shares of Reliance, you will get 3,69,265 rupees, and today's value of Reliance is 2,302 rupees. That means in the last 20 years, Reliance has given a CAGR of 19% per annum average. But very interesting to note, last 5 years, the Reliance CAGR is whopping 39.87% per annum. And needless to say, after Jio started, the fortune of Reliance has really gone up. 52 weeks high, 2,360. 52 weeks low, 867. Lifetime high, 2,360. Current price, 2,302. If Reliance had not given any bonus, the 10 rupee share today would have been as valuable as 29,000 rupees per share instead of 2,302 rupees. Now I am keeping the table in front of you regarding the dividend history of Reliance for the last 10 years. Have a look and take your own decision. Now the graph is in front of you. Reliance growth story from 2000 to 2020 September. See how it is going up, where it has come down, and take your own decision. My dear friends, Dr. Bharath Chandra has done fundamental analysis of Reliance. Does not mean you should blindly purchase Reliance. You should also, along with me, work and go to moneycontrol.com, ascertain the facts which are given, and then only decide whether to buy Reliance or not. One interesting observation: Reliance from 2009 to 2017 was trading in a range of approximately 400 to 500. Those days when we were conducting workshops, we started conducting workshops on stock market somewhere from 2004, 2003. We were telling everybody, don't buy Reliance. There is no growth at all. For the last 2 years, we are also very happy with the growth of Reliance. And now we are telling everybody, in your portfolio, let us have Reliance shares also, because Reliance is a very good company. The management is rightly very good, and the growth is spectacular for the last 3 to 4 years. My dear friends, you must have seen in the newspaper, TV and radio, you must have heard the news, you must have heard people talking about it, that the Jio telephones, so many other companies have invested. I'm giving you the list. The first one is Facebook. Approximately 9.99% of Jio investment has come from Facebook. Silver Lake Partners have invested 1.15% of Jio, and then Vista Equity Partners have invested 2.32% of Jio. That means many foreign companies have shown lot of interest, keen interest in Reliance, especially Jio telephones. My dear friends, I've given you all the details about Reliance. In case you have gone through the whole video and you have seen the video incomplete, then you have pressed the like button. Then you have made a very nice comment at the end. Plus, you have forwarded this video to at least 10 people. Then you are eligible for a beautiful bonus as an ebook. So you should send us an email. The details will be given to you. Send us an email to successdigest@gmail.com, and you should ask for ebook number 9, and that is about positive affirmations. We will send it in the coming days. Friends, it was wonderful that you listened to the whole video. Let me wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye-bye.